Hi guys, good morning. Today is August 3. It's a busy day because my son, my husband, my darling is preparing for a kimchi. We make a preserve of a kimchi by this wax. And then we have I think it's only you and me, Pat, no? Eating this. Try, Papa.
Bueno.
Then first, while we are doing that, we are having also a coffee. Carrots, Korean radish, and then we have the ingredient there. Garlic. We have also a garlic leaves. This is come from our garden. We always include the young flower of the garlic. And we have already soaked the Chinese cabbage. Let's have a look on my garden. Look at this, guys. It's my tomato here. This is we call it beef tomato. And here, I don't take it because it's not enough ripe. This is a purple black tomato. Is a zucchini. Is a yellow zucchini. Zucchini is a family of the squash. So big my tomato, guys. Look. And my beautiful young apple, but giving us a lot of fruit. This is in Normandy, France. This is a lemon. And this is a copper. The leaves, we use it for our curry. This is a green lemon, copper, and this one it's a yellow lemon. And of course there is a vice versa here. It's my chili. We call this sword. In Tagalog, espada. I planted tomato everywhere in our backyard. I will maybe marinate the chicken. This one's so good. Even nga, this one nga, even nga, if one day we cannot find a butcher, we can marinate like that.
Marinate for what? The chicken?
No need to marinate. Whole chicken that, it's time now. I think I have to prepare because after hungry, because we eat early by city.
Can you put your chicken on marinade?
We direct line that, Papa, don't worry.
Why direct?
Salt, pepper.
Salt, pepper, huile d'olive, citron.
Come some shiri. And the fish for you must remove. Must.
But if you make chicken,
No, litros chicken.
The lids. The ano part for that?
the breast,
The breast.
the white part of the chicken.
The one I don't like.
Me, I like too much, the
Remember what I said? In India, it's the cheapest piece of meat.
is the white?
The white of the
But
chicken.
Pascal eat only the white,
Because nobody want the white.
Okay,
It's a dry meat.
But here is
Very
the most
dry.
expensive,
The most expensive is
Yeah.
this.
in
What
India.
is-
yeah, the old Christmas.
But here is the cheap one,
It's the
in France.
tastiest meat. Juicy. You can never miss it anyway. Haute cuisse, tu peux pas la rater ça.
C'est sûr.
Coffee time, guys. Break always. When I'm in vacancy, I'm always thinking eating. Not a joke. I'm on vacancy, only thinking eating. I don't know why, Papa. I quickly get hungry. But when I'm in working, it's only that one time
Because you don't think about eating when you're working. It's like me when I was working for I never eat lunch. Because I'm never hungry. When you're working, you don't think about eating.
Voilà.
Naku, sabi ko na ba eh. Now we prepare our food now, Daddy, because very soon that hungry pat. Like, we eat this first.
Sa papa.
Fruit salad. After,
Ano to? Sa ito?
Sa'yo, parehas lang. Binigay siya. Tapos, anong last dyan? Ito na lang, di ba?
Oh, yan lang oh.
Oo.
You have the garlic, you just have to crush the garlic if you use.
You crush already the garlic there, you just additional.
You don't need to slice it.
Of course you need to slice it.
I'm going
Try
to
mo
slice
daw.
it.
Soak with ano.
Smell garlic.
Very cheap yan, Papa. Dati masarap to eat that, ha? But what this?
Try.
Is pickles or
Yeah, it's pickled garlic.
pickles already in vinegar?
Strong smell garlic or good strong taste or not?
No. Try
More on vinegar.
Wala nang taste yata.
Oh,
Try mo nga. Ha?
yeah, pretty good guy.
Wala nang taste pa.
You feel crunchy with vinegar, but
Okay.
no more taste of. You see, a very small taste of garlic.
It don't matter because you have already.
But you know that this
The
one
real.
give us the real one, oh.
No, and the one I crunch.
But you know what? Even that one you can eat that with good for the health, yan ah.
I will mix some.
Oo. You don't have to worry, Papa. You will not have ano. That is the one.
Sabi, tamang pag good garlic, you can try.
No, I don't want to try it as well.
No taste of garlic.
No, no
it's
taste
not the
really?
problem of the taste.
No taste really?
The taste I like. I don't digest garlic. You know. Garlic, I like garlic because I eat escargot.
Pat, nasaan na kayang taste niyan?
Escargot without
It's weird,
garlic is not
Huh?
good. Huh?
Weird taste. The taste is weird.
No, it's not weird. They take out the
Now, what I mean weird is because you know you're eating garlic, but you don't have the taste of garlic.
So sarap na pay.
You make all?
No.
No, we can eat that.
No, because you see this, you have what you call this ginger garlic.
Ah oui, ça c'est vrai.
This we give at the
Yeah,
taste.
we give test. Ici, sont les de consistance.
No, that's only bio.
Non, de consistance.
Ah, ça suffit, je pense. De toute façon, il n'y a pas beaucoup de goût, ça sert à rien. We have to cut too. I don't remember how did we do the ginger before. We cut or we crack?
Crack.
We crack before. Huh?
Either you cut in pieces.
Very small
We cut in
pieces.
small pieces.
Very small pieces because this one manger en gros morceaux. C'est pas perfect.
Papa, even the Papa is slice like a carrot for Papa because it's probably. Try mo daw, it's still this. That one is still this.
Huh? Ah, fine like this, like paper. Suffit.
Doing your coffee.
It's enough or do you need more?
No, more.
More.
More mas kalahati niyan. That's very good for that. Ginger, guys, very good for that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.